On my head, I have Anker Soundcore Life Q20 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to talk about these coming up on ThriftyAV. Normally, I'm pretty quick to review an item after I receive it in the mail, but in this case, I've been using this item quite a bit. So I've already discovered how long the battery life is, and they aren't lying when it's 40 hours. This thing goes a long time between charges. It uses Bluetooth 5, which works with every Bluetooth device I've tried it with. It sounds awesome. Being a closed ear design, these things already have good insulation from outside noises. But when you throw on the active noise cancellation, it really makes noises on the outside very, very quiet. Now this is already outside of the box, so let's back up and check out the unboxing. Here's a pair of Soundcore by Anker Pure Sound No Noise High-Res Audio Bluetooth headphones. The outside of the box says high-res sound quality, active noise cancellation, BassUp technology. This is impressive, 40-hour wireless playtime, extra soft ear cups, has a foldable design. You don't have to use the Bluetooth, you can also use this aux input. And the Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 5. And here are the contents of the box. Okay, let's get into this. Comes with this nice storage bag. Has a nice textured outside on the bag. We have a quick start guide and instructions in several languages. Here they're encouraging you to share your experience on social media. The headphones fold up tightly. When you fold them out, they snap into position. Oh look, here's a sticker to peel. Peel that plastic off, it says Anker right there. And another one on this side. The ear pads have a nice cushion with again, kind of a textured feel to them. The left and right are indicated inside the headphones. A micro USB cable. And this is a 3.5 millimeter TRS cable. Has a nice rubbery feel to it. It's probably going to be hard to tangle this one up. You ever get that peeling feeling? This one has a tab. And the other side too. And the last of the peeling. When powering on this device, it tells you the battery status. So I'm going to put my microphone up against the headphones and turn it on.
Battery medium.
Pairing with Bluetooth is real easy. Turn on the Anker Soundcore, pair with a new device, and it will show up. And it shows up as Soundcore Life Q20. Click it, and this is something you have to do with all Bluetooth devices, is allow access. That's just part of having a Bluetooth device these days. And now I am connected. Okay, on the right headphone you have the volume up, the volume down, and the play pause button. Like most Bluetooth devices, if I volume up or volume down on the headphones, it changes the volume on my telephone. And hitting the play button will pause playback of, in this case, it's an audiobook, or start it playing again. By double tapping the play pause button, you can turn on and off the bass boost.
Bass up.
And it will tell you what mode you're in.
Normal.
You can also answer or hang up your phone using this button. I wanted to show how good the Anker Soundcore noise canceling works instead of you just taking my word for it. And this is the demonstration that I came up with. I have a pair of microphones tucked into the earpieces on this headphone. I'm going to play some static on the radio and turn off and on the noise canceling so you can hear the difference. The closed ear design cancels some noise on its own. But when active noise canceling is engaged, it really makes things quieter, especially in the low frequency ranges where you get road rumble and things like that. These Anker Soundcore headphones are great at canceling out road rumble, but I was referring to passengers in the vehicle, not the driver. You shouldn't wear headphones while driving a vehicle. It is a form of distracted driving. You don't want to cancel out the sirens of emergency vehicles. And in some jurisdictions, driving while wearing headphones is illegal. If you are interested in the Anker Soundcore headphones, there is an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Of course, Amazon affiliate links help out my channel and do not cost you any more than a regular Amazon listing. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, including a new patron. And remember, stay thrifty, everyone.